Hey guys, it's 13 Cron, and I have the hiccups again. No, I don't. Oh, there I go. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I have the hiccups a lot. I had the hiccups a lot, as you can tell. This is my third video for the hiccups. Yeah. Oh. They're just... You missed. Stop! You'll be on YouTube. Just drop. My brother's throwing fries at me. It's not funny. Wow, I look majorly weird right now because of this lighting. And now I look better.
No.
Don't listen to my brother. Don't ever listen to my brother.
Amelia is cool.
Huh?
You are cool.
Now you can listen to him because he's being oddly nice.
I'm lying through my teeth.
These sharp, razor sharp teeth. What's Buddy have?
I don't know.
Oh,
Anyway,
there's stuff on the floor
so
with
you guys gotta watch my new videos.
the hiccup videos.
My hiccup videos and my
hiccup
dance for
sanctuary.
you with my partner Keisters 8. Yep, just keep watching that as you enjoy these hiccups. Oh, watch my cat being vacuumed video.
Vacuum.
Oh my god. So, yeah. My hiccups are a long time runner. They annoying too. After a while, I have the hiccups a lot. I had the hiccups the other day, but I didn't get the chance to video record them because I didn't have my iPod with me. Sad, right? Ah, crap. You know, if you drink water upside down, it's supposed to work.
Supposed to.
It's supposed to. Let's try it. Can you take this video?
Sure.
Hold it.
Alright. Okay.
Okay. It's on you now. And
Oh,
now it's
now
on
it's
me.
on you,
No,
okay.
no, now it's on me.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see, try to do it upside down now.
Filling the water up, as you can see. Yes. Beautiful.
Don't you have retarded hands?
You're so mean to me. Anyway,
Try.
shut up.
Actually, it comes easy. Have to try.
That's horrible. Alright, how do
Your
you
face
drink
is
upside
horrible.
down?
I don't know.
Drink from the other side of the other rim, from the far rim. All the way forward. No, you lean forward
Oh, okay. Well,
and tilt
hold
the
up.
cup towards your body.
I can't do this. Can I just drink the water?
No. Now lean. Alright. Tilt the cup towards your body. Drink.
This is an interesting way to drink water.
Oh yes.
It would have
It's
been helpful if you actually filled the cup.
Y'all didn't see that.
yeah, they did.
Oh. So I
Okay.
drunk some water upside down. Give it a few seconds or moments.
They're gone. It was
Are they
magic.
really?
It was magic. I think they're gone.
I don't know. I still feel pretty hiccupy.
I don't know. You don't sound hiccupy though.
I know.
She
I
looks
think they're
retarded,
gone.
so I mean, you never know.
I think they're gone.
You're the one talking, the one who rides the short bus.
You have to ride in an armored car.
Armored car out.
Yeah, my hiccups went away. So that proves my theory. Drinking water upside down really works.
It wasn't your theory, you dumbass.
Shut up. Bye.